Welcome to Nice Real-Time Designer how-to videos. In this video, we will learn how to use Regex in the Nice Real-Time Designer. Real-Time Designer enables us to use regular expressions, or Regex for short, to find specific data in a text. The Regex function searches for subtext that match a specific pattern within a target text. You can see a visual example of the Regex function in the website DebugX. It is recommended to test your Regex function on a test website. Let's examine this function using a demo document we prepared in advance. Using Regex, we will search for specific text within this document. In this video, we are looking for a group of characters, followed by space and the word car. This is our Regex expression. W+ means a group of one or more letters. S+ means one or more white spaces, and car will look for the word car. The text is found only when the pattern fits. There are two groups of results, the preceding text and the word car. The value itself will be, for example, blue car. The Regex pattern is the search pattern we compile according to the data we want to find. The Regex list holds the findings of our search pattern. A Regex expression match is one item from a list, and this match includes groups and other data. Let's create this Regex function in the Real-Time Designer. From the Business Entities tab, click Insert Instruction, and then select Assignment. From the Into option, select Regex List to have a Regex list hold the results. Next, select Extract Text Segments by Pattern. Define your search to Target Text and select Pattern to a Regex text. We now have a function that examines a text in a Regex pattern and presents the results in a Regex list. After understanding the infrastructure, we can now insert the text and see what we can find. In this example, it is done manually. Paste the search pattern in the container to look for all cars and their colors mentioned in our text. Once we have clicked on the button, our function was executed, and we can see that items were added to the list. This means that the search pattern worked and has produced results. Each match is a Regex list item that contains 3 parameters. The index specifies the location of the first character of the match in the text. The length specifies the number of characters that match. The value is the matched text itself. Each match contains 2 groups according to our search pattern. Now, we could extract all the colors without the word car. We created a new list of text, BE, named Colors, and added some instructions to go over the complete Regex list to pick the first group out of each Regex match element. Our results contains the color we wanted to extract. Here's a quick summary of what we reviewed in this lesson. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more short how-to videos about the Nice Real-Time Designer's functions.